Hey guys, learn to speak English fluently, right? Anybody can learn it, anybody can learn it. I'm talking it in behalf of my years and years experience when I make many people to speak easily. Even when I was learning, I had faced a lot of challenge, but what happened at last, I never given up. I never lose my faith and I learn it, right? Today I'm gonna tell you the same thing. Like, even if you try, if you attempt, if you start initiating action, it will happen very easily, right? Very easily. Don't have old faith in your mind. Don't realize that you cannot. If other is speaking English, you can. What is less you are having compared to other people? Just compare that and start diving into that. Start thinking instead of longer thinking, just start taking action. So one day you can learn it, right? So you can speak English confidently, you can speak English fluently, right? Today I'm gonna with some small story that will definitely change your thought. Why I'm gonna with that story? Because as long as we have that negative thought in our mind, that greatly it impacts, it ruins, it sabotages our thought process, or we become paralyzed. We never gonna achieve that. So better not to think, better not to put some negative, some old thought in our mind of unsuccessful failure, that is making us paralyzed. So this story belongs to the same uh, same metaphor and same situation, same state. Once upon a time, a psychology professor walked around on a stage while teaching a stress management principle to an auditorium filled with a student. Right? She was professor, psychology professor. So she came into the auditorium to teach a student. As she raised a water bottle, everyone expected like they are going to ask the same old question, like it is half full or half empty. They all thought the same way, all the students present over there, right? Instead, with the smile on her face, the professor asked, how heavy is this water bottle I'm holding? She didn't ask about half full or half empty. She asked like, how heavy is this water bottle that I'm holding in hand? Right? Students start answering. Somebody says 200 milligram. Somebody said 400 milligram. Depends on their own idea. She replied, from my perspective, the absolute weight of this water bottle doesn't matter, right? As per her, she said like it doesn't matter as per the absolute weight of this water bottle, right? It all depends how long I hold it, right? It depends how long I hold it. If I hold it for a minute or two, it's fairly light. If I hold it for an hour straight, its weight might make my arm ache, right, pain a little. If I hold it for a day straight, whole day, my arm will likely cramp up and feel completely numb and paralyzed, forcing me to drop the bottle to the floor. Each case, the weight of this water bottle doesn't change, but the longer I hold it, the heavier I feel to me, right? As longer I hold it, that heavier it will feel to me. At the class, all the students, they were present there, they were listening this statement. All class shook their heads in agreement. They all agreed. She continued, your stresses and worried in life are very much like this glass of this bottle of water. Think about them for a while and nothing happens, right? If you think something for a while, for a minute, nothing happens. Think about them a bit longer and you begin to ache a little. If you are thinking something negative a longer, so you begin to ache a little. Think about them all day long and you will feel completely numb and paralyzed, incapable of doing anything else until you drop them, right? So same thing happens here with a student. If anything that is hitting in our mind, any idea that strikes negative in our mind, for minute, for an hour, it's all right, we can grapple with that, we can tolerate it. But if we think for a day, it means it is taking our capacity, of thinking, positive thinking, being optimistic, it's taking away, right? Making a spam. If we think a week, it makes us more pain, right? It gives us more pain, whatever negative things we are having. If we think that negative thought a month, it's making us completely paralyzed, right? Completely paralyzed. Think that thing, the statement that is striking in your mind, it's same, it's not going to increase. But your time, the time you are taking for that, that is a squandering whole your method, your cognitive process, right? It is going to sabotage your thinking process. Whatever thing, let's say many people, they start learning English, they fail, they didn't get it. Somebody, right, they went for interview, they didn't get success, right? They failed, they couldn't crack that interview, they are thinking about that. What do I mean here? As longer as we think about that, as longer as we put that in our mind, so that is basically harming myself, my mind, my thinking process. Instead of sharpening it, we are going to sabotage it, ruin it, right? And we are squandering month and month, weeks and weeks, right? Why should I do that? Why shouldn't we just put that away, start action? Many a student, right, whom I have been teaching, they had the same faith, like they cannot speak English, but in reality they are very great in English, they have all knowledge. But the problem is they have never attempted, right? They have never attempted to speak out. That was the challenge. What's happening now? I am making them practice, giving some standard vocabulary, standard idiom, phrases, phrasal verbs, right? Some grammar structure that works, some pronunciation way, some phonetics. So now they are getting this and they are building their confidence. So instead of putting that all old method, all old negative thing that was holding them back, now they start gaining faith, they start eliminating the old all negative thought that they had and that was holding them back. Again and again working on that, one day what will happen, they will be able to eradicate that, they will be able to root it out. So why we think, why you are thinking that you cannot? Okay, you are very great in your job, you are very great in subjective, but instead of getting always the same metaphor in your mind, thinking again and again like you got failed, you didn't crack that interview, or you couldn't pass, don't think that. At least start working on that. Like this water bottle, the water is same, the water level is same. If I hold it for a day, it becomes like we started feeling pain, we started feeling like numb hand, it feels like I have to put that on the floor. But if I take for a minute or 5 minutes, we don't have any problem. Likewise, the same thought we are having, like we couldn't learn English, right? At that time we tried, but we couldn't pass interview, we couldn't crack that interview. Why? That things, one day you went, you fail, it's okay, but don't carry that whole day, right? Don't carry that whole week, don't carry that a month. It means like you are, instead of thinking, instead of taking action how to eliminate the thing that we need to do, how to eliminate that thing that is holding back in our mind, that is obsessing us all day long. So instead of putting that in our mind, instead of squandering time, instead of sabotaging our own cognitive process, we have to work on that. And one day you will realize like the matter was small, one day you fail interview because of English communication skill, still you are thinking about that. So again and again thinking in whole day, while sleeping at night, even you are watching dream, seeing dream at night that you fail, how to achieve that. I have great knowledge about subjective, but I'm not gonna get the result. I mean, I'm not gonna crack the interview. How other are cracking interview? Because they all have the same problem. The only advantage is somebody start taking action, or somebody is still thinking that when I'll do that. English is a language. Let make mistake, right? Let you start making mistake, doesn't matter. Let people remarking you, let people noticing you. Let it be. It is a language, and one day, if you keep doing daily, if you putting your effort daily, you will get it. Like, you will realize that, yeah, it was the problem that I was not taking action, and hence I was not getting result. So instead of obsessing about some matter that is holding you back, just you need to eliminate, throw it away, right? Come forward, take action, start learning it. Believe me, I'm talking in on behalf of my own journey. I'm talking in on behalf of the student whom I have been teaching now, and they are getting result. Why? Only having the faith. They have faith now. Like, okay, if he's teaching other country people, so he is the right person that he'll make us speak. And yes, once the faith start developing, once you put the seed of faith, that seed start growing. That seed starts growing. One day the seeds become a huge tree, right? It means the faith becomes a very broad, and one day you will achieve whatever things you have lost. Only how does it work? The things that we are putting in mind, we need to cultivate. We need to eradicate all negative thought that are making us deprived to getting success in our life. Better to not think about that. We have to work on that. So I think this will definitely help you out. Start learning from today. It's very easy, and it's once you learn it, it opens your it opens your opportunity. It gives you access to connect with worldwide. Once you become great speaker, once you are able to reveal your thought, you get very closer to whatever you want in your life. Thanks. Bye.